Hi there, welcome to another tutorial. Okay, this one is to look at an app called Explain Everything. We can see that on the bottom row, okay, just on the right hand side next to SoundCloud. If we click on Explain Everything, okay, this opens up. As you can see, there's a few stories already in there that I've put in. This is just going to be a quick overview just to give you an idea of what you can do with Explain Everything and also how you can integrate it and save it into Google Drive. Okay, so at the top of the page we can see we've got a plus sign, okay, and that's to add a new project. So let's add that, and we've got different color schemes and things, so we click on one of those to get started. So this has got a black background, so we can do everything. We can just draw on it like a normal whiteboard. We can stick shapes in there, okay, arrows. If we just click down on there, it gives us options. So there's some options in there. There's how big the border is, so we can draw a square, okay, and so on. We can type text in. There you go, we can see that. We can, this is the cool thing, I feel, we can add videos, existing videos, new videos. Okay, we can add files, so connect files that we've been working on. So this could be a place where we share Word documents. So for example, if we go into here, I'm going to go into Google. Okay, so tap or pick other source on the bottom. So I'm going to log into my Google Drive. There we go. So I'm just going to log in. Just bear with me. Okay, I just logged in, so it's in Romanian, so we'll carry on. It's just saying it's going to share some information. There we go, there's my Google Drive, so you might remember it from the very first video. I've got English folders set up, ICT folders set up, and so on. So I could put in, for example, that PDF file. So okay, so we're going to choose that. We need to press choose in the top right hand corner. So now that's loading that document within this area. Okay, so as you can see on the bottom, we've got 8 slides now, so representing the different pages in there. So we can put things in like that. We can also add a new video. So let me just take a picture. So look, there's my let me record. So there we go, there's me taking a picture of my computer. Okay, there's my lovely keyboard. Okay, all exciting stuff. Press stop. There we go, and that's embedded in there now. Now we can change that around. We can change the size of it, as you can see. Okay, just to prove it does work, let me play it. There we go, so that's playing, and it did have sound on as well. We can obviously add pictures. We can take a picture of a browser window, so let me share with you my favourite football team. So UK, go. Okay, and we can actually have that embedded in here. Okay, so we can take a picture of that by pressing the picture in the top right hand corner. Okay, so that's within the presentation as well. I can use this, so I can point to things as I'm going through. We can change the pointer, so we could have a hand, we can have a red dot, so I'll choose a red dot. Okay, there we go. As we're going through this, we can also record, so that's what these buttons down the bottom are for. Okay, we can record on each slide, so let me give it a go. So here we go. Right, so as we can see, FC United's next match is on Wednesday, the 26th of February, followed by Dresden on the 1st of March. We're currently 5th in the table at the moment. Okay, but anyway, enough of FC United. Let me flick to the next slide, and let's talk about business studies, Unit 4A, making business decisions. Okay, and this is a very important paper, and so on. But but play around with it. This has got so many uses. You can make your own revision notes, you can make your own notes, you can summarize a whole topic, you can insert video, you can insert audio, you can insert files, as we've seen, PowerPoint presentations, we can insert interviews. Okay, so it's got lots and lots of useful applications. Okay, only limited by your own so let me stop that now. Only limited by your own creativity. Okay, so we can export. So at the bottom here, okay, we can save, we can export to different things. I'm going to show you this one. Okay, this is exporting it to movie, so you could actually put it on YouTube straight away. This is just exporting it as a bunch of pictures. Okay, so you miss that interactivity. So if I click on this button, I'm going to save it as iPad Bootcamp. Okay, limit that. Then I'm going to save it. File exists. Do you want to overwrite it? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do that. But now I've saved it. I'm going to export it to Google Drive. So I've got different options. I can either save it as a video file, which just plays it as a video if there's some video on there, a PDF file, so it's just static pages, an image file, or a project. So I'm going to save it as a project so I can open it up later on, or I can send it to somebody else or share it on Google Drive for someone else to open. So for example, a teacher. So I'm going to click on Google Drive at the bottom there. We're in there. I'm going to save it in the Business Studies folder. I'm going to, as simple as pressing export. So now it's exporting, and if you haven't done already, you can watch the Google Drive videos and show you how to share with your teacher. Really useful. So it's done. So that gives you a bit of an overview of explain everything and how you can integrate it with Google Drive and add documents from Google Drive into it, and also save it in Google Drive. So lots and lots of uses. So hopefully you will enjoy using it. Okay, bye bye for now.